Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Yabo moya niziza kaNkosi uDlamini wekunene. Ngithi kubeni kuhle makhehla, kubeni kuhle kudede kumnyama kufile kukhanya. Right, today I'd like to talk about the greatness that comes with spiritual alignment. It's important for one ukuthi umuntu abe well aligned with their ancestors, with amadlozi wabo ngendlela ehlukahlukene. Without alignment, you tend to inherit toxic ancestors because of they tend again to be manipulative towards you. They tend to isolate you. They tend to create dark aura within your space because of into esuke bona bayifila ngaleso sikhathi leso. Spiritual alignment comes with great heights, comes with great light within your life, within your space, within your workspace, right? We must not allow the darkness that comes with toxic ancestors to hinder us. We must not allow toxic ancestors to hinder you as a being. You must grow by it. You must understand on how they maneuver. You must understand on how they do certain things. At some point in a path, but when you are not truly aligned, certain things, it's like you are being a setback. So now, to avoid that from happening, you must make sure that you are truly aligned, because of at some point but now there's certain rituals that has to be done for you to be well aligned. So sihambe size kuyofika ngisho nasezangomeni ngesimo sokuthi bhula nento oyaziyo ukuthi unayo, ubhula nento oyaziyo ukuthi unengulo, ubhula nento oyaziyo ukuthi ngempela dala bakubonisile indlela. Ihamba ngendlela ukuthi wena how prepared and how ready you are within your heart, your mind, body and spirit. So we must understand on how we work around that. We must understand on how we maneuver around that. Before everything happens, your ancestors consult with you. They have a proper communication now. Most definitely, you must just understand on how they do things, on how they communicate. So now they tend to be toxic because of your ignorance. They tend to be toxic because of lack of understanding. If you well aligned within that space, we tend to be confused because of we tend to be confused because we tend to be confused in different ways. So now you need to understand on how to grow and be well aligned. You must know the foundations of you must know you must be patient with your ancestors so that they can grow with you, grow by you, and be one with you. So if you fail by doing that, certain things get to the dark. So understanding that is because of now it was like toxic towards you. So because of you understand so let's not allow toxic ancestors to hinder our space. Let's just be well aligned with them. Grow by it, understand them, you'll be okay.